Take a ride in the 2021 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, privacy glass, rain-sensing wipers, integrated turn signal mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.